In this video, I'll guide you through how to add reCAPTCHA to Squarespace. If you're looking to enhance the security of your Squarespace site by protecting it from spam and abuse, adding reCAPTCHA is a great way to do just that. Let's dive into the process together, and you'll see just how straightforward it can be. First things first, we need to get our API keys. This is an essential step because these keys allow reCAPTCHA to communicate with your website. Head over to the Google reCAPTCHA admin console. If you haven't done this before, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll need to register your site. Here's how. Look for the option to add a new site. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your domain name. After that, you'll want to select reCAPTCHA v2. This version is widely used and works effectively for most websites, providing that familiar "I am not a robot" checkbox. Once you've selected it, Google will generate two keys for you, a site key and a secret key. Make sure to keep these handy as we'll be using them in the next steps. With your site key and secret key in hand, it's time to add these to your Squarespace site. Open your Squarespace website in your browser and navigate to your dashboard. From there, go to Settings. You'll find this option on the left side of your screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Advanced. This section hosts various features that allow you to extend the functionality of your site. Now, within the Advanced menu, you'll want to click on External API Keys. This is where you'll be entering the keys you just obtained from Google. You should see a section specifically labeled for Google reCAPTCHA. It's here that you'll paste your site key and secret key. Double check to ensure there are no extra spaces or typos. Once you've entered both keys correctly, reCAPTCHA will be automatically enabled across your forms within Squarespace. This means any form submissions will now require users to verify that they are not bots, helping to keep your website more secure and spam-free. And that's it! You've successfully added reCAPTCHA to your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you've added an extra layer of protection to your website, ensuring that interactions are genuine and reducing the risk of spam and malicious activities. Remember, if you ever need to adjust your settings or if any issues arise, you can revisit the Google reCAPTCHA admin console or your Squarespace settings to make necessary changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Have a great day and happy building on Squarespace.